Best AI tools for image and video generation. What if you could type a few words and instantly get an image or even a video? That's the magic of AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and Runway. First up is Midjourney, which lives on Discord. You join their server, type /imagine plus your prompt, and in seconds you get 4 unique images. It's built for experimentation. Tweak your words, add style tags like V5 for version 5's look or AR16 by 9 for widescreen. Midjourney is perfect when you want a burst of creativity and you don't mind refining a few times. Next we have DALL-E 3. DALL-E 3 sits inside ChatGPT. You describe what you want, an old painting of a fox reading a book under moonlight, with soft brush strokes, and it handles the rest. Its language understanding is top-notch, so it nails complex scenes and little details like light, direction, or texture. It provides sharp detail, accurate perspective, and nuanced lighting. Use DALL-E 3 when you need precision, product mockups, storyboards, or that perfect thumbnail. Next, Runway. Runway brings AI to video. Their text-to-video lets you type a prompt. Slow motion flower blooming at dawn with dewdrops, and it spits out a short clip. You can set duration, aspect ratio, even upload a reference image to keep style consistent across scenes. It provides cohesive motion, consistent style, quick edits. Runway is ideal for quick social clips, animated ads, or testing video ideas without a full production crew. AI is putting creation in everyone's hand. Whether you are an artist, a marketer, or curious, Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and Runway let you make something amazing, fast. Give them a try and share your favorite results below. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching.